Unlock the secrets to seamless online security. Discover how to use LastPass.com to simplify your password management. Keep your account safe and enjoy hassle-free browsing. Say goodbye to forgotten passwords and hello to peace of mind. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LastPass. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into LastPass.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is LastPass? LastPass is a password management service that helps you securely store and manage your passwords. It generates strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Enhancing your security with LastPass, you can easily autofill login details, saving time and reducing frustration. It syncs across all your devices, ensuring you have access to your passwords wherever you are. LastPass uses strong encryption to keep your data safe, giving you peace of mind. So say goodbye to password anxiety and hello to effortless in online security. So right now I will show you how you can get started with LastPass.com. First of all, you have just to click over get LastPass free. We have here two choices. The first one, which is business, designed for business of all size, from small startups to enterprises. We have here try business free. And we have the second one, which is personal premium multi-device password management and share for one person. You click over try personal free. So about the first one, you click over it and you'll find this page. Have you start your free 14 days 12 of LastPass business. Reduce risks by increasing password security across the entire business and minimizing reliance on passwords and human behavior. So you have just to write your full name, your work email, your phone, and we have the company name and the job title. And we have also here organization size. You choose the one you want, then you click over start my free 14 days trial. Then we have the second one, so which is this one, the personal one, and you will find this page. You have just to create an account. We have your one password 0h hate dashes. We have create an account here. You write your email, your master password, but you have to respect these requirements or these conditions, like strength meter at maximum, at least 20 characters long, at least one number, at least one lowercase letter, and at least one uppercase letter, at least one special character. And we have not your email here. We have also here confirm your master password, and we have reminder here optional. Then you click over sign up and it's free. Then once you do that, you will find this page. We have here welcome to LastPass. Install the browser extension, then log in using the account you have just created. Also we have here, if you want to ask something with LastPass assistant, you have just to click over here and you get started with it. So if you go to your Gmail, you'll find an email is received from LastPass. Here we have welcome to LastPass. Your digital life just got easier and more secure. Here are the login credentials to access your new account. Or just to click over log into LastPass, and we have here tips for getting started. We have firstly add LastPass to your web browser. This lets you save and file passwords automatically. Then we have the second one, which is add passwords to your vault. LastPass do the remembering. Then we have the last one, which is try auto file on your favorite websites. Let LastPass fill in all your passwords. So once you click over log into LastPass, you will find this page as you can see. So you have just to write your email address and your master password, and then you click over login and you will find the home page as you can see. So after signing up for LastPass, quickly boost your security by importing existing passwords from your browser. Use the built-in password generator to create strong, unique password for each account. Then save your login details with one click for easy auto-filing. Enjoy hassle-free browsing while keeping your account safe. Then here we have welcome to your vault. When you save something in LastPass, it appears here. Passwords, payment cards, driver's license. We have you save it to vault stars it. So we have you add your first password. Every great LastPass journey begins with a single password. You have just to try it. So once you click over it, you will find here 5 items. You choose, for example, this one. You write your URL, the name, the folder, the username. You have the site password, the notes, and then you click over save. Then we have another option which is secure note. About this one, you have just to write the name, the folder, and you add your secure note also. Then you click over save. Then we have the third one which is address. About this one, we have various things that you have the link. Like we have the name firstly here, the folder, you select the folder that you want, as you can see. Then we have here, you select firstly the title, the first name, the middle name, the last name, and we have username here, the gender, birthday also, company, the first address, the second address, the third address. Then you have the city or town, then you have the country, state, your zip or postal code, then we have the country, time zone, we have email address, phone, evening phone, mobile phone, and we have fax and notes. Then you click over save. Then we have the fourth one, we have payment card. So about this one, you have also to link your email name and your folder. Then we have the name card, type, number, security code, start date, and expiration date, and we have the notes here. Then we have the last one, which is bank account. About this one, you have to write the name and your folder. Then you have the bank name here, the account type, the routing number, the account number, SWIFT code, IBAN number, PIN, and we have the branch address, the branch phone, the notes. Then you click over save. So that's for bank account and all these items. So then you have the second steps, which is import your existing password, save time, import your passwords from another service. About this one, you have just to choose one service like Google Chrome or other things, and then you link it with LastPass, and then you just put your password here. Then we have the last one, which is LastPass extension to your browser. This lets you save and then file password automatically. So here we have it. As you can see, LastPass free password manager. You have just to add it to the Brave and then you get started. Also, we have your other things here like sharing center, and we have here the passwords, notes. You will find your notes here, passwords, and we have addresses here. If you want to add it, you click over here. You have also other things like payment cards, bank account, and we have other options like security, dashboard, emergency access, account settings, advanced options, and we have help also here. So LastPass is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their online security and simplify password management. By securely storing and auto-filing your passwords, it allows you to focus on what matters most without the stress of forgetting login details with its user-friendly features and strong encryption. LastPass empowers you to navigate the digital world with confidence. Make the switch today and take control of your online security. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.